to World Mechanics. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. If you guys have a Jeep Cherokee, Jeep Compass or Jeep Renegade with a 2.4 multi-air engine, guys, and you need to replace downstream oxygen sensor, you have a code for downstream oxygen sensor. We'll share the codes, guys, that you may get in the description of the video below. Check it out. We'll show you guys how to remove and replace that downstream oxygen sensor and where it's located. Downstream, it means it's the one past the catalytic converters and converter and monitors if the catalytic converter is doing its job, pretty much, guys. This sensor, it is important to the engine computer and the vehicle, to the engine itself, but it's not as important as the upstream oxygen sensor. But if you guys suspect that you have a better one, change it immediately. It can improve your fuel mileage. It can actually decrease emissions as well. Now, as you can see, guys, the engine is out of the car. You do not have to remove the engine, guys. Why we did that? So we'll have at least 100 videos on that engine alone. We'll be taking the whole thing apart. And in addition, we'll have more than 200 videos on every vehicle we get at the shop, every car, because our mission is to save you guys as much money as we can. So please subscribe to the channel and like the video. Let us show you now where that sensor is located and what needs to be done to replace it. So facing, guys, the engine in the vehicle, if it's in the car, it's going to be like that, okay, that way. You see, you have the engine cover right here on top. You're going to have air filter box. Right here, it's your exhaust. I recommend to always work on the oxygen sensors or close to the exhaust on cold engine only, because you can severely burn yourself. It even says a hand that do not touch sign here. So, as you can see, you have one oxygen sensor. This is called upstream oxygen sensor. This is the one before the catalytic converter. We have a video how to replace this one, but that's not the one that we need to replace. The one that we need to replace is the downstream. And sometimes, guys, I would recommend to replace both. If one goes out, replace both. Probably the other one will go out soon as well. We'll have the links in the description of the video below. If you want to buy the sensor, check it out. It will be there. So, what you need to do, you can see you need to follow the cables, and right here it's a white connector. That white connector you need to press down right here, and after you press down, you disconnect it, guys. Okay, you can see you press down here and you disconnect it. Now there is a special socket that we use to remove sensors. It's super simple with that socket, super easy to remove, and definitely makes the job a lot easier. Otherwise you can severely damage your sensor and not be able to remove it. That socket, guys, it's side cut, so it goes through the wires. Okay, check it out. And then you just get it on top of the sensor, like that. You get your ratchet. You may use an extension if you need to. Okay, and you get it loose. I'm telling you, those things sometimes are tight, guys. So this one, if it gets stuck, you might need to hit it or go backwards a little bit so it can come out. And we're going to remove it. This is the sensor right here. When you buy the new one, most of them will come pre-treated with anti-seize. Make sure that it's that way, otherwise apply a little bit of it. Just go ahead, connect it, guys, install it. Okay, first you need to install it, get it tight, and connect your cable after that, and you're ready to go. Thank you for watching, guys. Please subscribe to the channel for more videos, and see you guys next time.